Everybody keeps asking, what does the Fed really want? After a tough day, where the Dow slipped 340 points, S&P lost 1.16%, and the Nasdaq tumbled 1.47%. In response to lower-than-expected jobless claims and a much stronger-than-expected ADP private payrolls report, well, this is something that you and I need to address. We got to figure this out. So on the eve of tomorrow's key non-farm payroll report, you got to think, do they want to see a spike in unemployment? Is that what they want? Do they want to see you make less money? Do they want to plummet in wages? Do they want millions of people thrown out of work in a ruined economy? No, not exactly. The Feds, they got a plan. They want you to reach for this pizza, not for this pizza. They want you to buy this coffee, not this coffee. This cream cheese, not this cream cheese. This beer, not this beer. They want you to buy these chips, not these chips. Nuts, how about this? They want you to, well, forget these. They want you to buy these. Yeah, they want you to trade down. They want you to save money. You add the prices of the name brand goods here. You know what? You know how much they cost? $52.11. How about the nice brand, the generic brand? Just $25.59. What a difference. See, if people were all to switch to the generic, it would force the branded guys to cut price. And that is what they want to have happen. That is their plan. That's how the Fed can beat inflation. But they don't have many tools to change it, so you suddenly decide, you know what? I want some nice roasted party peanuts, not the Planters. See, if many people feel confident and go for the high-priced basket, the Fed loses. If they want consumers spending less, if they want them to buy this stuff, they have to make you so worried about losing your job, or at least not getting a raise, or heaven forbid, get fired as part of a reduction in force. See, as long as we have a strong labor market, there's a good chance people will keep paying up for the high-quality stuff. That's what they're going to do, including this beer made by Constellation Brands. By the way, the worst-performing stock in the S&P today. More on that later when we speak to the CEO, Bill Newlands. Hey, what's the matter with him? One laugh on a really miserable day. One laugh! Give me a break! As long as consumers can afford it, producers will keep raising prices to boost profitability. Hey, that's what happened with Conagra. They make this stuff. Yeah, the packaged food company that had terrific sales and earnings even as the volumes declined more than 8%. Why? Price increases. Nobody stopped buying this stuff. They're still buying it. They don't care. They're paying. Now, the Fed isn't necessarily targeting cream cheese or potato chips. It's trying to break the cycle of inflation. These supermarket items are a microcosm of the broader economy. Once people start trading down the cheaper knockoff versions, the major brands will not be able to get away with endless price increases.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.